Hello guys, and welcome to this another video on my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to spawn the queen slime. Now I'm gonna tell you how to get the gelatin crystal to spawn the queen slime. First you gotta be in hard mode. I'm not gonna tell you how to be in hard mode. You can find another video. And when you're in hard mode, then go down in one of these caves. It's called a hollow biome. There's a lot of pearl stone, I think it's called, and there's gelatin crystals and normal crystals around. Just mine one of these crystals, and yeah. Now I'm gonna show you how to spawn the queen slime and where to spawn the queen slime. Let's go. Okay guys, just mine down straight. And when you find a hollowed biome, wait, where is it? Okay, here, a hollowed biome. Then you can spawn the queen slime. I'm gonna show you how the hollowed biome looks like. Okay guys, as you can see, the background has changed. That means I am in the hollowed biome. Now I can spawn the queen slime. I'm gonna spawn the queen slime boss now. Okay, unfortunately I died to the queen slime, but I at least showed you how to spawn it. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.